Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Ford Maverick. The Ford Maverick is a compact pickup that blends versatility and efficiency. Inside, it packs modern comfort and connectivity that makes the truck useful for everything, from errands to weekend projects. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, LED headlights, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, steel wheels. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This Ford certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.